What's going on, everybody? It's Mr. Laundromat coming at you. You see him out here hot shotting. Here's my truck. Just wanted to give you a word of the day. It's a cloudy day, it's raining. Some people just don't want to really do much, just want to sit down and relax. But I implore you to put some work in today towards your dreams. Put some work in today towards things you want out of your life. For the people who are watching this, most of you want to own some laundromats. That's what I come to the assumption to believe, that you want to own laundromats for whatever reason you want to own laundromats for. And if that's the case, you just need to do some homework, some research into why. The why is important. Sometimes the why can't be answered through laundromat ownership. What drive and dedication do you have to make it come true? You got to have confidence in yourself. And I'm not just talking about the confidence when you talk about, I believe in myself, I believe in myself, I believe in myself. No, not that type of confidence. I'm talking about the never quit confidence. Through the good, through the bad, through the ugly, you know you're not giving up. And that's what you have to think about moving forward in this journey of not only laundromat ownership, but laundromats are businesses. It's a business just like any other business. It's a business like a trucking business. It's a business like a restaurant business. It's just like any other business out here. And you have to treat it as such. You got to operate it as such. You have to move as such. You are the owner, the CEO of that business, and you have to move as such. You have to operate as such. And you have to be willing to put yourself, throw yourself in the fire, knowing you're going to get burned, to come out unscathed on the other side of this. I end you with this word, and this is something that I came up with. I like it. It's a good saying to me. But you have to smile just as much when things are going good as when things are going bad. You got to enjoy the process of things. If you don't like to see the process of things through, then business ownership is not for you. You have to need and want the feeling of both failure and success. You got to love both of them, because they both come with the territory of business. There's nobody, not one person, anybody find them, tell them to comment in the bottom. If you find them, tell them to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the video if you find them. The person who has went through business and had nothing go wrong, find that person for me. I want to speak to him because I need to know his special sauce. Okay? So, again, we working on that 9-month challenge. We getting ourselves prepared, and we're walking through the steps of becoming not only laundromat owners, but successful business owners. That's what we're doing. We're preparing our lives. We're starting to put up, when a storm comes, I see in other states, people start putting up boards on the windows. Well, why are they doing that? They putting it up to put a barrier between the storm that's coming and what they trying to protect. You need to be doing the same thing with your life. You need to be putting up barriers and blockades, because I'm telling you it's coming. It's not a, well, maybe it won't come. Kev, maybe it won't be that bad. Nah, it's coming. It's going to happen to you. You're going to build something up, it's going to fall. The question is are you going to start building the blocks back again, or are you going to quit? You already went through the process. Continue to go through the process. Continue to learn from it. Continue to enjoy it. Continue to breathe life from it. Everything not going to go good. But it's in those bad times where you're being shaped to be the person you are, to accept what's coming into your life later on. You can't, at this step right here, be who you are right here and survive what's coming to you for you to survive in 10 years from now. It's not possible. It's not possible. You got to go through the iron. You got to go through the fire. If you, every time you get to a situation, you stop at the fire, come on. That's why you're not progressing in your life. That's why you're not going further in your life. You got to take those opportunities. You got to just jump out there with common sense and knowledge that you've built up along the way and say, I can do that. And I'm not a person who promises lots of things, but I can promise you one thing. If you do that, success is easy. Success gonna come easy to you. Because as you go through the fire, you're gonna come out the other side. There's gonna be a successful milestone right there for you. Okay? Y'all see I'm standing at the hotel, man. I'm out here in North Carolina, South Carolina, man. I'm just out here trying to just clear my head. I got a weekend to relax. As y'all see, I got my trailer. Again, I'm out here, man. I'm not just talking. I'm out here putting in the sweat equity and putting in the work necessary to be able to talk like this. Prepare for the 9-month challenge. Get yourselves ready. We got to work on our credit. We hear how good it is. We got to work on our financial understanding. Okay? We got to start getting some things in order. This is 2025 now. Let's go. Ain't no excuses. There's nobody holding you back. Not having money is not something that holds you back. Finding resources is what you need to be working on. Let's get those resources. If you say, hey, man, I got another job. Hey, man, you need another one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get the ball rolling. Let's get things flowing in the direction we need them to do, because this is what we call life, and that's yours, and you got to take control of it. If you don't take control of it, nobody will. You will be miserable. Let's start putting in those works. Let's start doing what we don't want to do. 2025. Look, it's still the beginning. It's still January. Let's get it. Let's go. See y'all later. I'll be putting some more videos out. We headed to laundromat ownership. We also headed to business ownership. Peace. Love y'all.